Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more goodies from my turning into favorite Amazon brand LUXAZA. So if you'd like to see me put this look together and give my thoughts on this brand that I am trying now for the second time, then just keep watching. I'm gonna start with lip color, because these lips are lightly lined and they need some color. This is the shade that I picked out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Feels very nourishing. This is the Tinted Lip Balm, chapstick with color, natural semi-gloss finish, hydrating color, 2-in-1 moisturizer lipstick. You can get this for $9.99 and it looks like they have a nice variation of shades. I of course will have everything linked in the description box below that I am already wearing on my face, and then these fun new LUXAZA products. They also sent me blush, bronzer, and highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a swatch. This is Nude Brown and Quartz. So the contour, these just twist up. This is the Nude Brown, looks perfect. And then this is the Quartz. Very pretty. And then we'll get into the blush next. I did set the center of my face, but not the perimeter. I'm gonna try out this contour. Oh, it feels super creamy. Blending easily. Ooh, I love that for a nice natural contoured look. Now I'm going to go into this Quartz highlight shade, and I'm going to apply this on the tops. I'm just going to take brush and tap that in. And of course you could use your finger as well. Very natural, but a nice glow. Ooh. And now for the blush. I picked mine in the shade Nude Mauve, and this retails for $9.99. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So creamy feeling. Go right there, and then I'm going to take my brush and just tap it in. I love the creaminess of these products. They just feel like silk going on the skin. A little bit on the nose. They were also kind enough to send me more of their beautiful eyeshadow sticks. If you didn't see my previous video where I did an eye look, I will of course link it. This one is the set Pink Ocean, and it's got all kinds of beautiful champagnes and grays and pinks. So I'm gonna put a look together. If you're not familiar with their shadow sticks, they are packaged gorgeously. I love this top diamondy shape. You have the shadow stick that twists up right here. And then on the other side, you have a brush that you can use to blend. I'm gonna start with this deepest shade right here. I love that. I'm gonna use that for my outer corner. Eyeshadow sticks are all the rage right now. It seems like they are having a moment. And they really do provide a soft, easy look. You see, I just applied and then I'm just blending the edges. Just keeping that on the outer corner. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the other shades that came in here. So here are the 6 shades. Get some pretty, this one looks a little more matte like this one, and then some gorgeous shimmers. I'm gonna take this other dark one and put this underneath. Not going all the way. I'm gonna save that inner area for some shimmer. Can we talk about the convenience of having a brush? I have lots of shadow sticks, but not with a brush. So convenient. On the go, travel. Now I want this brightest shimmer. I think this one is where I found. I'm gonna put that one on the inner corner and just build that into the other one. And then maybe I'll put something in between in the center there, shade-wise. Pretty. Then I'm gonna go with something right in the middle, just to sort of blend those 2 shades together. This is kind of deeper than the inner, but lighter than the outer. And they're so soft and shimmery, you don't have to be as precise. Go into that inner area. You could probably even put this in your waterline. Yes. Yay! I'm gonna add some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. I'm back, liner and lashes are on. I did want to mention that the eyeshadow stick set runs for about $20. And of course, when I did my eye look today, I used their eyeshadow primer. And I'm gonna finish the face with a little bit of their setting spray. Wow, I am very pleased with the bronzer and highlight set, the blush stick, the nourishing lip balm, and of course, the eyeshadow sticks. I will have everything listed in the description box below, as well as the other items that I used from LUXAZA and anything else that I put on my face. I thank you for spending this time with me today. Hopefully we can help each other find some quality, affordable makeup. If you have some suggestions as to Amazon favorites that you have, list them in the comments below. I would love to hear them. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.